Second night I've dreamt about you, babe. I don't know how I should tell you, babe, that lately I get lost thinking about you. I admit that I can't be without you. The air that I breathe doesn't mean nothing.
Hi beautiful people, it's your girl Caro NG here again. Welcome back to this beautiful and amazing channel. So this is Sunday afternoon and my house has never gotten this messy. I had not done anything since Friday, and this includes cleaning clothes. So I had a bunch of clothes that I was working on. On the other hand, I also had a very messed up kitchen. It has never gotten this messy, so I was just trying to fix everything up in the evening before Monday. On this particular weekend, I don't know what was wrong with me because I have never slept on Saturday without doing cleaning, and this time I did it, and with no guilt feelings, by the way. So I started seeing the reality on Sunday at 4. Yes, I began cleaning at 4, and it would really be bad if I woke up on with the dirty house on Monday, because it will just mess up everything. And I mean everything, because I'm a working mom. I need to take care of my house, and I also need to take care of my baby. So I had to do this now.
Leave. Give me life, I need you. Hold me close, I want to. Shut all the world out, just you and me.
By the way, forgive my bathroom lighting. I had a problem with my bulb, so I was just using my ring light to give me the lighting as I was cleaning the clothes. I think I'll never do this again. I'd rather call someone to help me clean, because I took about an hour to finish up the clothes, and because my baby's clothes were very dirty, because for the past few days we were in the house with her, and I highly regretted, because I love resting on Sunday, but this was not the case.
Artificial love, we just make it up, 'cause reality will never be good enough. And even if it was, we just mess it up, 'cause we already lost, addicted to the rush. I never meant to fall. All I wanted was a touch of artificial love. We just make it up, 'cause reality.
So my daughter was outside playing, and we kept conversing with her because she kept coming back to the house. So I'm not talking to myself, in case you're wondering whom I could be talking to.
Artificial love. Artificial love, we just make it up, 'cause reality will never be good enough. And even if it was, we just mess it up, 'cause we already lost.
Moms without house managers, have you ever gotten yourself in such a situation where you do nothing the whole weekend and reality just hits you on one Sunday evening that you needed to fix up your house or your home? If you've ever gone through such, kindly comment below and give advice on what you exactly did.
Artificial love. Artificial love. Artificial love, we just make it up, 'cause reality will never be good enough.
About my cleaning processes, this one is usually my best part, rinsing, because this is where you realize that you've already finished cleaning.
How can you know what's in a heart when often hate motivates and love tears you apart? Artificial love. Artificial love. Artificial love. We just make it up, 'cause reality will never be good enough. And even if it was, we just mess it up. Artificial love. Artificial love. Artificial love. Artificial love. Missing little moments, it was easy just feeling alive. 2 a.m. wide awake, talking like we had the whole night. And I don't know if I said this right. No, I don't know how the days gone by. Missing little moments, it was easy just feeling alive. Every now and again, I trace my.
Next, I went to hang my clothes, and this is usually the most annoying part after cleaning, because these hanging lines normally waste a lot of time because you have to keep pulling them.
It's all that I needed. Searching for the moments I'm a little less empty inside.
After I finished hanging clothes, I went to take care of my kitchen, and I have never seen such a messy kitchen. I even did not have a single cooking pot to cook. All the plates were everywhere, all the cups. Yani, everything was just a mess. And when I mean a mess, it's messy, and it's completely messy. At some point, you can even realize I was talking to myself because I thought I was not serious, and it's true, I wasn't. This was too much.
It's all that I needed to move on, to feel it. It's all that I needed. It's all that I needed. I want that feeling.
I think I had a serious problem over this weekend, by the way. This is not normal for me. I do pile up utensils, but not this much. I do pile up, but I think no, 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 this was not me.
To move on, to feel it. It's all that I needed. How the years go by, searching for the moments I'm a little less 25, a little less 25, a little less, searching for the moments I'm a little less 20, a little less 25.
Is this what giving up feels like?
I wish to take this chance to welcome all my new subscribers, and thank you also for the returnees for always supporting this channel. For my premier gang, asanteni sana for always showing up, for always sparing your time to come and support your girl.
So I break these walls and hold my head up high.
The disadvantage of not cleaning up as you cook is this one. And I think I need to get some discipline about this because I ended up wasting so much time than I even expected. Because at this time it was already dark and I needed to fix up dinner. Yeah, I think it's important to clean as you cook.
I'm not giving. No, I'm not giving. No, I'm not giving.
I finished cleaning by giving my sufuria some scrub. This is a must for me in this house. I love them shining as usual.
I'm not giving.
I also cleaned up my cooker, which was a bit dirty, and I first used some soap, then I passed on with some magni cleaner to just make it shiny.
I'm not giving.
It was around 7, I think 7 or 7:10, and I needed to fix our dinner, and I decided to cook the simplest meal. So I think this was just a lazy weekend for me. So I fixed some ugali and I was to eat it with mala. Then for my baby, she will consume it with milk.
I think it's dawned on me that you ain't coming back. I've lost my chance to see us find our way back. And in the end, amidst these trying times, I'll always try to find you. I'll lie to you to find the truth.
By the way, I've been using ajab flour and wow, I just love the taste. I think these other ungas like the kavagaras are usually oversifted and at some point you don't feel the taste of the ugali. So I really love this unga. I don't think I'll go back to my usual ungas. This is what I'll be using from now henceforth.
You will fall apart.
So I don't know how to make ugali very well. So after it has hardened, I just prefer cooking it at very low heat for some minutes.
Together we'll fall apart. We'll fall apart. I know that we're a mess. Then I know that you try your best. And you're calling me to over dramatically talk to me. And it's so funny, you're all I wanted. And I can't talk, want you out of my life. So say none. I'll wait for days if you ain't one. I'll just say none. So stay with me. You know that I'll follow. I can't breathe. Together we'll fall apart. Stay here right in my arms.
The mala was not sweetened, so I decided to put some sugar in it because I was used to buying this other canned one that is sweetened. But on this day, my pocket was not very good, so I just decided to get this unsweetened one.
Together we'll fall apart. Together we'll fall apart. Stay here right in my arms.
I've just done a quick fix of my dinner. We are going to be eating ugali and I'll be using mala while my baby will be using that milk there. So after I'm finished, I will go fix up the last part, which is the living room. and I think I'll not repeat this again. However lazy I feel, I will just force myself to work just a little bit, even though it means just washing a few clothes, or that has been a very very lazy weekend, and I will not want to rush everything up on Sunday evening again.
There's some little moments it was easy just feeling alive.
The living room was not messy as I thought, so I just cleaned the tables and swept the carpet through, and that was it.
I don't know if I said this right, no, I don't know how the days gone by. Missing little moments, it was easiest feeling alive. Every now and again, I trace my steps back to then. Oh, I want that feeling, it's all that I needed to move on, to feel it, it's all that I needed. Searching for the moments I'm a little less empty inside. Fewer late nights cause nobody seems to make the time. And I don't know how to do this right, no, I don't know how the years gone by. Searching for the moments I'm a little less 25.
I just swept the carpet using a broom, but I think it needed more cleaning, but I'm not planning to use the method I normally use because of cold, and it might not dry up faster. So I'm just thinking of waiting for the sunny season, then I'll take it to the car wash for some thorough cleaning. In case you have watched this video up to this point, may God bless you very, very much. Thank you for sparing your time. I don't take it for granted.
I need it, I want that feeling, it's all that I needed to move on, to feel it, it's all that I needed.
Bye bye guys. Let me see you in my next one.
To move on, to feel it, it's all that I needed. How the years go by, searching for the moments I'm a little less 25, a little less 25, a little less, searching for the moments I'm a little less 20, a little less 25.